You can go to sleep, baby boy. You can sleep if you want to. Yeah, you don't have to wait for me to sleep. You can sleep too. It's okay. I'll be right here when you wake up. You love me? You're such a sweet boy. You can go to sleep, okay? You can go to sleep. You're so cute.